Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name's Martin and today's lesson is going to be on the moon. If I were on the moon, it would be very interesting. The moon is very far away from Earth and it is a very strange place. There is no air on the moon. If I was standing on the moon and I looked into space, I would see many interesting things. For example, I would see planet Earth, our home. I would see planet Earth and its green land, the blue oceans. I would see the white ice of the North Pole and the white ice of the South Pole. It would be very beautiful. Maybe I would also see other planets. In the picture, we can see a beautiful orange planet with rings around it. I think it's Saturn. Traveling around Earth, I would see satellites. A satellite is a machine that travels round the Earth and it sends messages to and from Earth and other people. To get to the moon, you need a space rocket. The space rocket launches from Earth and it takes a long time to travel to the moon because, remember, the moon is far away. Okay, now it's time for some questions. Is there air on the moon? No. There is no air on the moon. In the picture, what colour is the planet with the rings? Orange. The planet with the rings is orange. If you were standing on the moon, what would you see in the sky? If I was standing on the moon and I looked into space, I would see stars. I would see planets like Earth, maybe Saturn. Maybe I would see a satellite traveling round the Earth and sending messages. We can see an astronaut on the moon. An astronaut is a man or a woman who is visiting space or visiting the moon. An astronaut wears a spacesuit and a space helmet because there is no air in space or on the moon. An astronaut lands on the moon in the space rocket, and here we can see the astronaut is driving around on the moon in a moon buggy. The astronaut has brought his best friend with him, his dog. When the astronaut landed in his rocket, the first thing that he and his dog did was plant a flag in the ground. We can see the flag in the ground with a green colour and a yellow paw print. It was just a small step for dog, but a giant leap for dog kind. Let's ask some questions. Is the astronaut walking on the moon? No. The astronaut is driving a moon buggy on the moon. What is the dog doing? Running beside the astronaut. The dog is running along beside the astronaut. If you were on the moon, how would you travel? If I were on the moon, I would travel using a moon buggy for long distances, and for short distances, I would walk on the moon. The moon is a very interesting place. We can see a family of aliens. They are having a barbecue. The aliens are green, and they don't need spacesuits because they're aliens. They are having a barbecue on the moon. They look very relaxed and they're having fun. We can see that on the barbecue there are some burgers and they are having some fizzy drink. The small alien is playing on a computer game. Okay, let's have some questions. Do the aliens need spacesuits? No, the aliens don't need spacesuits. They're aliens. What are the aliens doing? Having a barbecue. The aliens are having a barbecue, eating burgers, and drinking fizzy drinks. If you were on the moon, what would you do? If I were on the moon, I would love to have a barbecue, but I would have to wear a spacesuit. If I were on the moon, I think I would like to play ping pong. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.